everybody, I found the most amazing thing if you like Chrome or the Brave browser or you like dark mode here. You can actually force Chrome to go into dark mode. Now, this is absolutely amazing because I love dark mode so much, and there are sites that don't have dark mode and it really annoys me. But again, if you use Chrome or Brave, which again uses kind of the Chrome engine here, you can actually force Chrome to go in dark mode. It's really, really easy. It's so easy. I can teach anyone to do it. So all you need to do is type in Chrome colon // and we're going to type in flags here. Now, what this is that there's experiments here. Now, I would, if I were you, I would not just go, and you can take a look at these. There's a lot of really cool things in here. But nevertheless, I would not just go and turn these on. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in dark mode, and I believe it has automatic dark mode. Okay, and then you have the option as default, and there's all these different options here. But I just put enabled here, and what it will do is that it will basically ask you to relaunch, and then automatically sites that have no dark mode will all of a sudden have dark mode. So look at this here. So this is a site. I mean, now it's not perfect here, right? But nevertheless, this was a site that I used, investing.com, and it just didn't have a dark mode. Now it has a dark mode because Chrome forces it into dark mode. So another one that I go to a lot is Slashdot, right? Bloomberg. Automatically, I don't know if Bloomberg actually has a dark mode here because I don't really go to Bloomberg that much here, or the BBC or whatever. Now, like, really, really awesome, right? I absolutely love it. I'm really excited about this little feature here, and it was just so simple here, right? So Chrome, on this case, I guess it's Brave here. Again, I'm using Brave. If you're not using Brave, I highly recommend you just switch to it right away. It's an amazing browser here. But if you use Chrome or Brave, or if you use any kind of thing else with its Chrome engine, you could probably do this here. But that's how you force Chrome into dark mode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.